mighty nation, no matter where you go. In every village restaurant and at the movie show, you'll hear the bands playing the top tune of them all. Just drop a nickel in and hear the jukebox cannonball. It started down in Dixie so many years ago, and then somebody sang the tune upon the radio. Now everybody rides it from spring to early fall. They drop a nickel in and hear the jukebox cannonball. Listen to your favorite, whoever he may be, playing in a swing band or in a symphony. Hillbilly, scat, or crooner, this tune has got 'em all. Drop a nickel in and hear the jukebox cannonball. Take my journey to glory in the sky, I'll bet my bottom dollar that before I up and die, a debut will be scheduled in old Carnegie Hall. The evening's main attraction is the jukebox cannonball. Across the mighty nation, no matter where you go, in every village restaurant and at the movie show, you'll hear the bands playing the top tune of them all. Drop a nickel in and hear the jukebox cannonball.